Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Highway 2000, the PJ Patterson Highway, and this is the east-west leg of Highway 2000. Now this highway is going to run from Kingston to Montego Bay, but it's been built out in phases, so we are coming to the Maypen exit of the highway. This is the current highway. The completed section of the highway is from Kingston to Maypen. So we're coming to where this highway ends, but they're building another leg which would be from Maypen to Mandeville. So we're going to look at where this highway currently ends and where the construction starts. So when that third leg, leg 1C from Maypen to Mandeville is finished, this highway will run from Kingston all the way to Mandeville. So currently we're in Maypen, Clarendon. Straight ahead now, you can see the new highway that's being constructed. It's literally in line with the road we're on now. So you're just going to have one continuous road. You're not even going to realize that the highway ended here once. Same thing happened at Sandy Bay. The highway ended there, and then they connected it to Maypen and you did not even realize. Okay. So this roundabout is where the highway ends and merges with the Maypen bypass. However, the roundabout will be removed and it's just one continuous highway. You can see some police officers hard at work. So straight ahead now, this is where the construction starts. And if you watch your videos before, this land wasn't at the level of the road, it was lower. So this has been dumped up to bring it in line with the existing highway. So straight ahead now is a Rio Mena Bridge. That is, according to the NWA, the widest bridge in Jamaica. And this is where the highway starts, the new construction starts, and it runs from the Maypen roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout in Manchester. And then once that section is completed, there'll be another section through St. Elizabeth until the highway eventually reaches Montego Bay. So this section is scheduled to finish in March 2023. And it's 90% complete. The last time we heard an update. And this is actually as we said earlier, the widest bridge in Jamaica. It's supposed to be. Alright, so just giving you guys an update. So we're heading back out onto the existing road now. And as you know, Highway 2000 is a toll road, meaning you have to pay a toll to use it. So between Kingston and Maypen, the existing road, it's two toll plazas, one at Vineyards and one at Maypen. And then from Maypen to Mandeville, you're going to have two additional toll plazas. Somebody had indicated that one of the toll plazas will be when you're traveling from Maypen to Mandeville, and there will be another toll plaza. The second toll plaza will be when you're entering from a certain section. So I'm not sure what the toll rate will be, but between Kingston and Maypen, it's 900 for class 2 at one toll plaza, 600 for class 1, and that's the Vineyards toll plaza. And at the Maypen Toll Plaza, class 2 is 300. So between Kingston and Maypen, you pay 1,200, which isn't bad. Now, the second leg of Highway 2000 between Kingston and Ocho Rios, a class 2 vehicle pays 3,600 to use that highway. That one is a lot more expensive. So as soon as we find out what the toll is going to be between the additional toll between Maypen and Mandeville, we'll let you guys know. So we're now on the Maypen bypass. So this is actually the main road. If you're not using the highway, this is the road you have to use. Or you can drive through the town of Maypen itself. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.